Unlock the secrets to crafting progressive house anthems that ignite the dance floor by mastering advanced sound design, mixing, and arrangement. Let's dive into the core of progressive house sound design. We'll start with a foundational kick drum layer, a punchy, slightly saturated kick with a sub-bass layer for maximum impact. Imagine a deep, resonant rumble that anchors your entire track. Next, for the signature progressive bassline, we're going to sculpt a midrange focused sound. Use a saw wave with a touch of distortion and a resonant low-pass filter. Experiment with a subtle LFO on the filter cutoff to create that mesmerizing, evolving movement that drives the groove. Remember, progression is key. Why you're tiny, subtle changes over time. Think about the melodic elements. Arpeggios are central. Take a bright, slightly detuned saw wave, add a touch of chorus and reverb for width. Program a rising or falling sequence that builds anticipation. For pads, we want lush, atmospheric textures. Layer 2 or 3 similar synth sounds, each with a slightly different character. One could have a slow attack and long release, creating a warm, enveloping cloud. Another might have a more defined transient. For clarity, use a generous amount of reverb and delay to create a sense of space and depth that pulls the listener in. Now, let's talk mixing. To make these sounds truly powerful, the kick and bass need to hit hard but also coexist. Use subtle cytokine compression on your bass and melodic elements triggered by the kick. This creates that pumping effect that's crucial in progressive house. High-pass filter your melodic elements and pads to remove any unnecessary low and rumble, making sure your bassline remains the undisputed king of the low frequencies. We also want our leads and arpeggios to cut through the mix. Pay close attention to mid-range frequencies. Use EQ strategically to carve out space for each element for that dance floor impact. Create dynamic contrast. Automate volume levels, filter cutoffs, and FX sends to introduce energy and release. Think about buildups and drops. A classic progressive arrangement involves a gradual build using risers, white noise sweeps, and increasing rhythmic intensity. The drop itself should be impactful, with all elements working in harmony to create a powerful, euphoric moment. Experiment with subtle panning to create a wide stereo image that envelops the listener. Don't be afraid to use automation to bring your track to life, creating subtle shifts that keep the audience engaged. By focusing on these advanced sound design, mixing, and arrangement techniques, you can craft progressive house tracks that not only catch the ear but also command the attention of any dance floor, leaving a lasting, energetic impression.